Three numbers are the ratio of 5:7:9 and their LCM is 1260. Greatest of them is option A 63, option B 56, option C 45, option D 36. PSC clerkship exam question. So answer, let's consider three numbers are 3 numbers are 5x, 7x, 9x. Then LCM of 5x, 7x, 9x. 5 into 7 into 9x is equal to 5 7 35, 3 5 15, 5 7 1, 3 7 21, 5 7 35, 5 9 45 5 হাতে আমার 45 into 5 7 35 into 9, 5 9 35 5 হাতে আমার 4, 3 9 27 4 31. That means 315x. According to three numbers LCM equal to 315x. Then 3156 is equal to 1260, or x is equal to 1260 by 315. আমরা যদি 4 দিয়ে গুণ করি 4 × 7 3 4 12, or x is equal to 4. So the greatest number is 9x equal to 9 into 4, that means 36. So answer option D. So answer option D. Answer option D, 36. Okay, thank you.